Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a picture from Google straight to your phone and also to your computer. It's super easy, so let's get right into it. First, let's start with the phone. All you need to do is open your browser, like Chrome or Safari, and go to google.com. Type in what you're looking for and tap on Images to see the picture results. Once you find the image you like, tap on it to open it fully. Now, just press and hold the picture for a few seconds until a menu pops up. Then tap on Download Image or Save Image. After that, you can find the picture right in your phone's gallery or downloads folder. Simple as that. Now, let's move over to the computer. Open your browser and go to Google Images. Search for the picture you want and click on it to see the full preview. Then, just right-click on the image and choose Save Image As. A small window will appear. Pick the folder where you want to save it, maybe your desktop or pictures folder. Then, click Save. Once you do that, the image will be stored on your computer, ready for you to use anytime. And that's it! You've learned how to save your picture from Google to your phones and PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.